ki khubor ka Bate TV. Laban Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Plie Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala Plie ya ka admission minta.
Ubah Sanbor Shulai ubalang MLA jaga South Shillong constituency haka pratrik naitung ajar phosau ula Plie Paidbah yaga Varte Premier Salon Laban branch ka badan ha Howells Road Laban Shillong hajaga Laban police station. Haka jing Plie ka Varte Premier Salon la sakhilang do garat lamre ubalang try jaga dukan ki bahinga sem pat kiwe belacha khot ngau bha. Hadim ladap ot ya uriban lapen buat pas sakajing duai no pastor pita.
Laban yang try ke Laban ni dah first. Orang buat Shillong tu lagi. Nampak. Jangan lagi yang keluar lagi. I was a bit shocked when I entered inside. I thought it's a small saloon or something like that. But when I enter inside, so it recalled me when I have the opportunity in the last few years to attend the Commonwealth Conference in every part of the world. I have visited the Asian countries, European countries. Sometimes for relaxation we used to go to the massage parlor, and the standard is as it's same like in other parlor in the other Asian and European country. So we are very happy, we are very lucky that we are having this kind of bar wherein all our young friends, boys and girls, children, and even the elderly people like us will have opportunity to come and relax sometimes and have all these facilities which Dr. Garrett and his family and his friend they have set up in the name of Varte, Salon. Would like to congratulate once again to Pastor Garrett and all his friends for opening with the support of Michael Carcentio, social worker, and every one of you. That this kind of, I think in Shillong, I have not seen, I have not visited, but I think this will be one of the best salon in Shillong, maybe in Meghalaya. Wish you all the best. me and all my supporters, all my friends, my well-wishers, all my mentors also will bring it to the information, like advertisement, to all the people of Shillong, the adjoining areas, Meghalaya state, and even in the entire, we are having a big network, and in every part of Northeast and even in other part of the state. So we wish to visit this salon run by Pastor Karat and his family. So with these few words, God bless you, and we wish you all the best in your future career. Thank you. Kublai Mitilam Jai.
Thank Garrett, lamare, te kadau belai ba ni kuat ban Plie kedukan hamne, kini ke Varte Premier Salon ngabi ilok cuma, cene, te ni ba ke market hamne ke biang ba, lamar ba kini ki por mentale se ka ada ke jok ba bro ki, entah mo, kini ki beri mentawat ki ramba ki teman ki be kene, let's say ka servicing kam day tangi kali hindi ki breu ki asuto menta ma kani ka basic kumta ka kumno ba ki present yele de le se ki le office ne ki le interview ne kani ka tai menchwati le se kala along tang ka occasion de menta pat kala along necessity fi namar ba le se kumno ba fi present yele de ne ka keren de te hakane ka rukam asmo ba ka market chini shingi lei long chini not east juni ni be ekane tingi don ka dukan chapo Bangalore hapo Koromangala food block suppose nem menta te ni don ru hapo Nongrum Hills ni don ru hapo Gulf Link hapo maupun te kene kade ka Plie ka branch ni ani hapo Shillong te ni bagi breu le se kumta kawai bangi wanra bangi let's say bangi Laban sa Bangalore ngabi ilok technically te long kumta nila kham you can more exposed te hagawai ka rukam ru kai ka ba along ka jing hikai na ka jing tip ka jungi long bangi la tray ki salon kumta ki long premium mo Bangalore te ki breu ki bawan let's say and ki training ki bawan ru ki breu shatesh Bangalore la I ka jing start ka jungi number ba let's say ki staff junki ki invest ki wanra ki no hikai na Japan na Thailand na Indonesia na London na po kumta na America ter ki wanra ki stylist na bahar ban hikai ban train ki da siuru ki da penpiang na dong sedong ban train ki staff junki te kumta te kawai na ka salon chapo Bangalore ka ba let's say ilok jama trade bun snam yo training bit ha kade ka salon yung kerteng kade bounce and one of the top salons I believe kade ka salon ka ba shisha ka balong hakmat do maong hari India namar bangalai we've seen its growth from the very beginning the hakata garukam we take inspiration from this salon game so in that sense many things ni KK tip the technical know-how, let's say the business strategy ni katai nai hakata ko makata nong rim kajing debate ru kam day let's say tan at a national level kalalo international ba from all over New York let's say kini hikai ki trainers ng po Japan dai ngai tu fi taman kren ktin ibi kintin English ru kimnang pitip ki haban hire so translator hende kajing debate jongki hakat technical knowledge ne kalong hadu kata te hakata kanong rem nga so bangi kum ka let's say Varte Salon ngabi ilok jonga ni song mang idon ke ban ai shaka kumta kan community indai tan ba ka business bangin let's say pinmi pisa ho kire ka jakpo jongi hendai hakawai ka nong rem ban tintiu ya kan ka industry shane indai tan shane shop Shillong hendai shane shari ni baro ai ko dan ta ni dan kumba bat kani ka thamai menta no khat nyong present kini gila long experience kini gila teu main style jungi uban shim mi gane le shau bi prasa jungi long jumai ukurtai Emmanuel Varte tu un sadang wan te ka tu ka pran jungi ka bingidan chatai tu ni no un shim no chani te un relocate bu ban kayeng ka sama jungi chani gen ka aliang ka training kene ka tai tingi ai training ke training ke bangi ai le si kalong hakata karukam le si kalong technical kalong professional ba kalong hands on theory of course ni don ka theory hakata ka nongrim le si ba ki henry more than anything ke ka bangi you haki students jungi nai ka technical knowledge ndai ti teng namar ba le si na chu ai wi nuksa ndai ti teng kani kalong kum ka let's say ka technical knowledge ne kani ka technical know how hakata rukam let's say namar ba ngidan kini ki different type of colors ti teng umdan way ukala tenle akum no minta la dan kam kurki no kala tingile akum no tikini ki bala long experience hakata rukam ne kila su thu la rakhle une ne nginyo yu tu ju ngim da dan kam man the utu specific color hakata ka rim te hakata ka rukam le se kanika technical knowledge ne ka technical know how ba ngi don ndai ngila ban ai ke ki hakata ka rukam ki students le se later on kindalong ki stylist ne ki beautician kila ban long innovative haka le se hala jong kai ga bidan gen su tho ha jongi te kila bon da kumno maybe ka nadu ka salon mangidan po Bangalore nadu menshwaro bini jo ai hikai kumtu long as a kumta gen taman syarap le se taman syarap claim without any charge kumtu ne as a personal help kila dan arpo maybe 20 to 25 kila dan chabar most of them